mainly being design and electrical. Electrical's been focusing on small projects here and there to further developments in the build season, as well as small projects to help design within the build season. Helping design with prototyping and fabrication of just prototypes and proof of concepts and stuff.
For me, I have been helping out Kate, the project manager, and we have been focusing a lot on getting our impact award summaries finalized and starting on the essay, and then also we started working on the Woody Flowers essay. So those are like our main things right now.
The treads on the piston, because we just couldn't find something that fit that, and so we had to figure out how we're going to make all the pieces for our part of the robot fit together.
So we've been struggling these past couple days, but with the help of some mentors, we're hopefully going to get some progress done.
It's very difficult to keep looking at the same summaries over and over and over. It all just becomes like jumbled words in my brain. So giving myself like a few minutes to take a breather and just mindlessly stare at something and then go back to working is something that I've done.
I guess just being able to be here more often. I always enjoy doing this. It's kind of like a family to me, so it's a get away from everything bad in my life.
Kick off because everybody was there and you just kind of got to hang out with people. So, it was a long day, but overall, I thought it was really fun.